Okay, so the only other thing you have left to learn in section 5-2 is how to graph equations using their intercepts. So we already talked about yesterday how to find the intercepts from the equation. Remember, to find the intercept from the equation, all you have to do is plug in 0 for the other value. So for example, if we're going to find the x-intercept, we're going to plug in 0 for y. 7 times 0 is going to cancel out, so I'm just left with 3x equals 21. Now, if 3x equals 21, then x must be equal to 7, which means the x-intercept is 7. I can do the same thing for y by plugging in 0 for x. So I get negative 7y equals 21, which means that y must be negative 3. Now, I can actually plot those 2 points and already see the line that's forming. Make sure you draw all 4 quadrants because we do have a negative value, and plot both of these intercepts. X is negative 7, which would be negative 7, 0, and y is negative 3, which would be 0, negative 3. Then you just need to use a ruler or a straight edge to connect those 2 points. Make sure you put lines at the end, or arrows at the end of each to show that that extends. You can cross out step 3. We're not going to check with one more point simply because it's not very effective, so we're not going to worry about it. So that's all you have to do. If you turn to the back page, here's one more example. Let's try graphing this one. So the first step is to find the intercepts. To find the x-intercept, the y value is 0, so I'm left with negative 3x equals negative 12. Which means x must be equal to positive 4. To find the y-intercept, I'm left with 4y equals 12, which must mean that y is equal to 3. I'm going to draw all 4 quadrants because this line will extend into the negative parts. I have x equals 4 and y equals 3. Then I'm just going to connect those 2 points. And draw arrows at each end. And that's all I have to do to graph using intercepts.